Izakhamuzi zaseSpekboom ngaphandle kwaseLydenburg zivuke zavala umgwaqo uR36 namhlanje zibhikisha ziphoqa umasipala iThabo Chweu ukuthi uthuthukise indawo ezihlala kuyo ngokuyihlinzeka ngamanzi ahlanzekile kanye nogesi.
Lenzawo ke kwaqala ukuhlala kuyo eminyakeni engu-30 lephelile. Izakhamuzi tithi tifuna lenzawo ibe semthethweni, tinikedwe netinsita futhi. Tithi tifuna emanzi lahlobile nagesi.
Sikhala ngemanti, sikhala ngegesi, sikhala ngetindlu. Sizamile ukukhulumisana namasipala kodwa umasipala akanasikhathi sethu angeke ayeke lokho abhizi ngakho.
Sebabhikisha kwesibili ke tinyangeni letintathu. Izakhamuzi titsatinakwa tithi longsodolobha walo masipala wethaba Chweu lohluphekile timbitele emhlanganweni kepha katfola imphendvulo lethokotisako.
We want to propose that to them to say how about we look for another land for them and then we leave those people to stay there and then rezone that land to be residence and then we can put services. If they can agree to that, then I think it will be easier.
Bashayeli ke banxuse izakhamuzi ukuthi titfole lenye indlela yekubeka tikhalo tato kunekuthi tivale imigwaqo.
Yes, they have their rights, but we also have our rights, and they are infringing on our rights right now.
Sibuye eJozi sifike la ka +4 sona manje basavalile indlela umgwaqo so salinde bona bathi basovula asazi basovula sikhathi bani.
Emaphoyisa kacaphelele indzawo ngeliso lelikhaliphile kanzi umgwaqo sowuvuliwe. Ngingusiphephile kunene wetindzaba SABC eThaba Chweu.